Let me tell you something most people don't realize. There's an AI tool that thousands of people use every day right now. They open it, type something, get results, and then close it. The interesting thing is, at the end of the day, nothing changes. No money, no system, no progress. But there are also many people using the same tool at the same time. They're using it a little differently and turning it into real income. Not by working harder or being smarter, they're just using it differently. And that difference is everything, because it's not about the tool, it's about how you use it. In this video, I'm going to show you what most people are doing wrong with this AI tool, what actually works, and how you can turn something simple into something that generates money if you use it right. Most people open an AI tool with the same mindset. They think, let me try something. So they type random commands, ask it to write things, generate a few ideas, and feel productive for a moment. But in reality, nothing comes of it, because there's no direction, no structure, no results. And after a while, they start thinking, this is interesting, but I don't understand how it makes money. Because they're using the tool like a toy, not like a system. That's where it all breaks down, because tools don't generate revenue, systems do. Let me explain this in a really logical way. Imagine someone opening this AI tool and asking it to write content. It could be a post, a script, maybe a product description. It doesn't matter. The tool delivers, quickly, cleanly, and efficiently. So what happens next? They read it. Maybe they edit it. Maybe they save it. And then they stop. Nothing is published. Nothing is tested. Nothing connects to anything. Therefore, of course, nothing happens. Now, compare that to someone approaching the same tool differently. They don't start with the tool. They start with a goal, something very specific. Something like, I want to create attention-grabbing content within a niche that's already working. That's what changes everything. Because the tool is no longer the starting point. It's just part of the process. And that process has a flow. First, they look at things that grab attention, not things they think are good, not even things they want to create, but things that people are already watching, clicking on, and interacting with. Because attention leaves patterns. If you look at any platform long enough, you start to see the same ideas repeated in different forms. The same topics, the same perspectives, the same emotional triggers, and it's not a coincidence. It's a demand. So instead of guessing, they're responding to that demand. That's where AI comes in. Instead of spending hours trying to figure something out from scratch, they use AI to speed up the process. They generate variations, different hooks, different structures, different perspectives. Not with a single idea, but with multiple ideas. And that's crucial, because the goal isn't perfection. The goal is to test. Most people don't test. They create something, think, I hope it works, and when it doesn't, they stop. But those who actually make money from it behave differently. They understand that a single idea isn't enough, so they use AI to multiply their output. Not randomly, but strategically. They take something that already works and rebuild it in their own version. And because AI allows them to move faster, they can do it over and over again without running out of ideas. Now, the part most people completely miss is this. Creating something is only half the system. The other half is putting it where people can actually see it. And that's where things usually go wrong. Because people create, but they don't distribute. Or they distribute once and wait for results. But attention doesn't work like that. It needs repetition, consistency, presence. And that's where the system becomes powerful. Because when you combine these things, you start building something real with the rapid creation and consistent distribution that people want. It's not a one-time result, but it's a process. And once that process is complete, the tool becomes valuable. Before that, it's just potential. Now, let's go one step further. Because even if you do all this, there's one more thing that determines whether you'll make money or not. Because at this point, everything makes sense. You find what works. You use AI to produce faster. You stay consistent. But there's still a missing piece. Unfortunately, most people completely fail here, even if they do everything right. They can't connect what they produce to making money. They assume that attention automatically converts to income. But that's not the case at all. You can get views, you can get clicks, you can even build an audience and still earn nothing, because without engagement, attention is lost. People watch, scroll, continue, and you get nothing in return. So the real question becomes, what happens after someone sees your content? Because that's where the real money is made. And here you need to think differently, not like a content creator, but like someone building a system. Instead of asking, how do I get more views? You start asking, where do I direct those who are already watching? This shift is changing everything, because now you're not just creating content, you're creating a path, a simple, clear next step. It doesn't need to be complicated. In fact, the simpler it is, the better it works. It could be something as simple as a page where you offer a tool, a simple offer, a service, even a digital product. It doesn't matter what you choose initially. What matters is having a connection, because once that connection is established, your content ceases to be just content. It becomes part of a system. Now, there's something most people underestimate. You don't need massive traffic for this to work. You don't need millions of views. You just need the right structure. Because a small amount of attention, when directed correctly, can be more powerful than a large audience with no system behind it. That's where using AI correctly becomes an advantage. Not because it's smart, but because it allows you to move faster than most people would like. You can quickly test ideas. You can create variations without starting from scratch. You can make adjustments based on what works. And over time, you start to see patterns. You start to understand what grabs attention, what keeps people watching, what makes them click, and more importantly, what motivates them to act. That's the crucial part. Because views don't generate revenue, actions do. Now, let's be realistic for a moment. This isn't something that works overnight. That's exactly why most people don't see results. They try something once, maybe twice. They don't see immediate results, and then they move on to the next thing. Another tool, another idea, another distraction. But those who really make money from this stay patient, not because it's easy, but because they understand what they're building. They're not after quick wins. They're building a system that evolves over time. Every piece of content teaches them something. Every test provides them with data. Every small result gives them momentum. And eventually, that momentum turns into something real, something predictable and repeatable. This is where everything changes, because you're not guessing anymore. You're not hoping something will work. You know what works. You just keep doing more. You're improving it. You're scaling it and building upon it. That's when this AI tool stops being just a tool and starts becoming part of a machine you control, a system you understand, something that's not based on chance, but on structure. If you take one thing from this video, it's this. The tool isn't the opportunity. How you use it is what matters. Most people will keep opening this AI tool, typing random things, and closing it without getting any results. A few people will slow down, think differently, and build something around it. Those are the ones who make the real money. So don't just use the tool. Use it with intention. Use it with direction. And most importantly, use it as part of a system, because that's where the real results come from.